Have you ever downloaded a simple flashlight app, only to find it asking for your location and contact list? It can be confusing and a little scary. In this video, we are going to break down exactly why mobile apps ask for these permissions, what they use them for, and how you can keep your personal data safe. First, let's understand what a permission actually is. Think of your phone's operating system as a secure building, and permissions are the security guards. They are strict checkpoints designed to stop apps from accessing sensitive parts of your phone, like your camera or messages, without your explicit say-so. The most common reason an app asks for permission is simply to do its job. A camera app is useless if it cannot access the camera sensor. A navigation map cannot give you directions if it doesn't know your GPS location. These are essential permissions required for the core features to work. Sometimes, an app works fine without permissions, but asks for them to enable extra convenience. For example, a travel app might ask to see your calendar so it can automatically add your flight dates for you. You can usually say no to these, and the app will still work, just without that specific shortcut. Here is the part that worries most people. Many free apps make money by collecting user data. By asking for your location or browsing habits, they build a profile of your interests to sell to advertisers. If an app is free, your data is often the price of admission. Not all permissions are created equal. Some, like internet access, are considered normal and are granted automatically when you install the app. Others, like your contacts, location, and microphone, are classified as dangerous or sensitive. For these, the phone must ask you for approval before the app can use them. The good news is that modern phones give you granular control. You rarely have to give an app permanent access. You can choose to allow access only this time or while using the app. This ensures an app cannot track you in the background when you have closed it. You should always be critical of requests. Does a calculator really need to know your location? Does a simple game need access to your SMS messages? If a request does not make logical sense for what the app does, it is a major red flag. Deny the permission. Both Android and iOS now feature powerful privacy dashboards. These tools show you a timeline of exactly which apps accessed your data and when. It is a great way to catch any apps that might be behaving badly or accessing things they shouldn't be. To wrap up, remember that you are in control. Read the pop-ups before tapping Allow. Uninstall apps you no longer use to reduce your digital footprint, and regularly check your settings to ensure your privacy remains intact. Stay safe out there.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.